Mobile County jury convicted a former Chickasaw police officer of sexually abusing his stepdaughter. Bob Ingle was convicted of raping and sodomizing the 10-year-old. For Rebecca McEvoy's family, the verdict has been long overdue. Fox 10 News reporter April Douglas was in the courtroom.
It took several years for the case to make it to a courtroom, but it took a jury less than 2 hours to find Bob Ingle guilty of raping and sodomizing his 10-year-old stepdaughter, Rebecca McEvoy. It's a bittersweet verdict for Rebecca's father.
It's been a long 3 years and Rebecca finally got justice. We've got to put her off the streets and the other children can be safe.
You see, Rebecca died in a car accident in 2008 before the case could be heard. Her death played a part in the delay because in Alabama, a defendant has the right to cross-examine a witness. So Assistant District Attorney Ella Bird called on Rebecca's best friend and Rebecca's sister to tell her story of sexual abuse. The state showed Rebecca shared with them the horror she suffered at the hands of her stepfather.
I didn't know what the verdict was going to be, and I didn't know really how I would act if they said innocent, but when they said guilty, all I could do was look up and say, Becca, thank you. Thank you, God.
Bob Ingle, now a convicted child rapist, faces life in prison for raping and sodomizing Rebecca, a little girl her father says had a contagious smile.
Her beautiful smile and spirit, she's just bubbly all the time.
In Mobile, April Douglas, Fox 10 News.
Ingle will be allowed to remain out on bond until a hearing next month. Judge Michael Youngpeter ordered Ingle to wear a monitoring device and have no contact with children. He'll be sentenced February 25th.